The TEEHO Keyless Deadbolt with handle is a stylish and functional addition to any front door, combining a sleek design with advanced keyless entry technology. Installing this electronic lock is a breeze, taking only 15 minutes with just a screwdriver and no need for additional tools or drilling. With the ability to store up to 20 access codes, this lock offers great convenience by eliminating the need for physical keys and providing flexible access options. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the TEEHO lock is both sturdy and durable, meeting ANSI Grade 3 standards and boasting IP54 waterproof certification. Security is enhanced with features like the Anti-Peep Password and an automatic lockout after multiple incorrect attempts, ensuring peace of mind against unauthorized access. The product is backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer service, including comprehensive phone and email support to assist with any inquiries or issues.